I'm Sofia Longworth and I am in the costume department for Casualty. My favourite thing about working in the costume department is all the machines. We have an embroidery machine, we have lots of different industrial machines, and it's just so cool. I love being able to use them, and being trained to use them all has been really, really fun. But the people are also just so lovely, and I think that makes a massive difference as well. One of my standout experiences, I think, has just been going on set so far. It has been really fun just to kind of see how everything works, see how all the different departments work together and things, and also working with the embroidery machine. We have a really cool embroidery machine, and being able to use that is really cool as well. I think one of the most valuable lessons I've learned so far is all the etiquette, the set etiquette and things, and like it's balancing, oh, this is a great time to go and ask a question, and actually, oh, everyone's really busy and stressed right now, maybe just take a step back, go do something else and come back, write it down. So that's been really valuable. It's something that I find quite hard to balance. So yeah, we're working through that, but it is something that I'm finding really valuable as well, because I think it's useful for everyday life as well. The role is in a way it's different, and in a way it's the same. So there's certain aspects I expected, and there's certain aspects I wasn't as expected. In a weird way, I didn't expect everybody to be so nice, and it to be quite, people get stressed, but it's still, everybody's really lovely and kind of aware that you are learning, so they have answered every single question. They have been so lovely and welcoming, and I really was a bit taken aback, because I kind of thought, oh, you know, some people will have less time for you and things, but no one, every single person has had the time of the day for me, so that's really surprised me. But yeah, some of the kind of work things that I've had to do hasn't surprised me as much, because it's kind of what I was expecting. So my advice to anyone thinking of applying is just take it all in. I found it incredibly stressful, and everyone will say be yourself, and it is really important. I think it's something that you think is really cliche, but they hired me because of who I am and my experiences, not because I pretended to be someone who I wasn't. And I think in film, if you create a persona that's not you, then you have to uphold that for the rest of your career, whether it's if you are just yourself. It's very easy, you can just be very natural.